everyone, my name is Roma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as the video title says, I'm going to be coloring my hair purple today at home. So I have never ever colored my hair at a salon, and this is not the first time I'm coloring my hair at home. I've colored my hair red, I've colored my hair golden blonde. I have made a video on the golden blonde color. So if you want to see that, I will put a link in the description below. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair purple topaz. So this is a box from Streaks Ultra Highlights, and I have used Streaks as well for the golden blonde hair color. So if you want to see if that works or no, please do go and check it out. It works. It's still remaining actually on my hair a little bit, but I did that about I think I did it in May or June. So now I'm going to do purple. I'm very excited to color my hair purple. So yes, let's start with the video. So guys, let me start by telling you what all is there in this box. So I have a developer and a blonder along with this hairbrush, kind of a small hairbrush thing. It says it's step 1, mix blonder plus developer. Next up I have this instruction manual. Then I have this colorant cream which says it's a step 2. Then I have a brush, gloves and Streaks conditioner. So the first step is to mix these two in a bowl and apply it to wherever you want to apply. So I was thinking I'm just going to do the ends because the packet strictly says that you should not, the packet strictly says that it shouldn't touch the scalp. So I'm going to go just for the ends right here, and I don't think I'll be able to color the whole, color my whole hair because the quantity is very less and my hair is quite long. So I'm going to start from here till the end. So guys, before I start, let me just tell you a small outline of how exactly it is. So the first step, you have to mix these two colors. So the first step is that you have to mix the developer and the colorant, the powder, in a bowl and apply it to the hair where you want it to, show color. So after applying it on the parts of the hair that you want, you have to let it stay for around 30 to 40 minutes and then it will bleach. So after you bleach and wash it, it will turn a slightly light color so that the color can actually show. And then we have to apply the actual color, which is the colorant cream, and then wash your hair. Leave it for some time and then wash your hair. So the first step is to bleach your hair. In this you can also use aluminium foil, but I'm not going to use aluminium foil because aluminium foil makes your hair more lighter and I do not want it to be more lighter. I just want it to be a nice light purple. So yes, let's start with the first step. Alright, so the first step is mixing these two things. So guys, make sure you wear a very old t-shirt or something which you do not want or do not mind getting spoiled, and make sure you mix the color in a glass bowl or a metallic bowl, because if you use plastic, the color might it might stain the bowl. So I'm going to mix these two in this. First up, the blonder powder. Now I'm going to wear gloves so that it doesn't bleach my hands as well. Okay, so now this is mixed. Let's start applying. Alright guys, so I have finally applied the bleach. It is kind of burning my eyes, so I don't know how it does every time. So guys, make sure that you leave this for around 30 minutes, but since I have not applied the aluminum foil, I'm going to leave it for around 40 to 45 minutes. So yeah, see you after 45 minutes. So guys, it's been 45 minutes now, and the next step is to wash the hair with lukewarm water and shampoo and dry completely before we move on to the next step. So as you can see, it is completely dried. So now I'm going to go and wash my hair. I'm going to see you after I wash and dry my hair. So guys, I just washed my hair, and I don't know if you can see it in the camera properly, but there are some strands which are perfectly bleached and the way how I wanted it to be. So yeah, the next step is to dry hair well before proceeding to step 2. Mix the entire contents of the colorant sachet in a non-metallic bowl. This is strip aluminum foil. In this step also you have to place an aluminum foil, but I'm not using aluminum foil. I'm going to directly apply and then let it stay for 30 minutes and wash with shampoo and lukewarm water until water runs clear. Apply Swix Shine On conditioner and leave it on the hair for 3 to 5 minutes. So for my next step, I have to dry my hair well. I'm going to dry my hair well. I just washed the ends because after I apply the color, I'm going to wash my hair completely, fully. So yeah. As you can see, my shirt is gone. Alright guys, my hair is completely dry now, and now I'm going to apply the hair color. So guys, now I'm going to use this to just comb my hair a bit so that the color spreads nicely. So guys, it's done. I have to wash my hair after 30 minutes with lukewarm water and shampoo. So yes. So guys, I'm going to see you directly after I wash my hair, dry it, and then style it so that you guys can directly see the beautiful purple topaz color. So yes, see you. So guys, this is how it looks. It doesn't give you much of the color. It just becomes slightly purple here and there. There is a high possibility that I may have done something wrong, or either I should have taken 2 packets, or maybe I should have used aluminum foil. But before I made this video, I went and I saw many other videos that other YouTubers made, just to see how they have done it, and some of them have not used aluminum foil and they have got the color on their hair actually, but I don't know why I have not got it. The color is slightly there but not like very much visible. So I will add some pictures over here in which I can see that the color is purple kind of. And yes guys, that's all I have for you in my today's video. If you thought that I did some mistake in this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Or you're free to message me on Instagram, Miss Bharne. There will be a link in the description below.